Lympung jingele kai kinjat ball Subroto Cup araja open rio jangka West Hills district kalau kut no menta kesngi daki jingele kai final haki kerdan beper hamadan New Nongston. Ya ke jingel lang penha perda lawan wen pensngan daga Deputy Commissioner ka West Hills district ka Heman Nayak IES kum ka kongsan bat lasen ran lang ya ka dau AG sangma MPS Deputy Superintendent of Police West Hills ka kong BCM District Sport Officer lambat ki wei bat ki rio rang ba. Hakajingya kon final jangka under 15 boys ka Kyrshai Government LP and UP School kala ra ya ka namla adu hadien bakala penlim ya ka Anderson Higher Secondary School lingba ka tiebreaker. Hakajingya kon final jangka under 17 girls pat Lurmangkara Secondary School Risyang kala penlim ya ka Nonglang Secondary School Nonglang bat ra ya ka namla adu. Hakajingya kon final jangka under 17 boys ka Dapboklang Giri Memorial Secondary School Porla kala la ban penliam ya ka Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School dan lai gol la kawai. Haka kerdan under 15 boys yau up Banshai Sim Shanghai na Anderson Higher Secondary School legit kom best player kat ba yau riban kupar Paryong na Dapboklang Giri Memorial Secondary School la aya ka kusnam best goalkeeper. Haka kerdan under 17 girls ya kalahun Shishak Harbani na Nonglang Higher Secondary School legit kum ka best player kat ba ya ka Lily CH Marak na Saint Xavier Higher Secondary School la aya ka kusnam best goalkeeper. Haka kerdan under 17 boys ya uyo borlang lingkhoy na Dapboklang Giri Memorial Secondary School legit kum best player kat ba ya Vishal Field Nongbri na Bethel Press Higher Secondary School la aya ka kusnam best goalkeeper. Ka kongsan kala yo ban samru ya ki kusnam shikin nong job bat kala kintu ya ki kinhon ki bala job bakin yai tre shitam bat pen kre bha na ka benta ka state level competition. Kala ongru ba ka district sport office kadang beteng ban wat bat kintiu ya ki sub jingele ka jang ki samla pule bat kintu ya ki bakin pendan kam hok ya ki lat jingerap ki ba ka tanat ya le kai ka ai.
One more, 1, 2, 3. Which one is the right? Ready? Stop.
Bang.